Hi all. Our absolutely amazingly talented designer has done another design. This form porn t-shirt I really enjoyed wearing, and I think I should wash it at some point, so I'm going to order some more t-shirts. And in fact I thought, let's have some more designs, and I thought, what's better than a top point scorer for a lot of my online bullet tournaments, which involves the Greek gift. There's 3 versions of it, slightly different wording. Let's have a look. So you'll see in this design, beware of Greeks bearing gifts. So you've got a Trojan horse, a bishop inside it, and H7 being visited. So this is a huge point scorer for my own, especially like bullet or other time control sometimes. But it's great for winning games quickly. And you can have this on all of these different things, even a pillow if you wanted. So check that out. And you can also have it in all sorts of colours, as you might expect. You just choose your design first, and then the colour range will be available for that particular item. So that might not be the most tasteful. Okay, so say comfort t-shirt, we can look at the colours for comfort t-shirt. So I'm going to be ordering one of these soon. I've only just put it up today. Now this wording, I'm Greek Cypriot by the way, but say you didn't want to wind up your Greek friends in any way or risk it. I think they'll find it funny, really. I think Greeks should buy this as well. I just think it's funny anyway. But say you don't find it funny, you can have different wording, which is more chess centric. So here you can have, believe it or not, this wording: beware of knights bearing gifts. Teespring's getting a bit overloaded. That's why I want to actually kind of minimize the examples. It does seem like a very, very popular site, maybe too popular for its own good, Teespring at the moment. So beware of knights bearing gifts, and the same huge product range. So you might prefer this wording. So bishop takes h7. Okay, and also, the knight as in a play on Trojan horse. I don't know if you know the story of the Trojan horse. Check it out. Google it. It's very interesting. So that's probably where the Greek gift chess expression came from, the Trojan horse. And also you can have beware of bishops bearing gifts. I know. I've gone to town here with the 3 different word variations. Gone to town. So beware of bishops bearing gifts, and the same huge product range. So there you go. This is a gigantic point scorer, especially in my bullet chess. We might I'll put a puzzle book video, I think, soon to show examples of the Greek gift, where it works, where it doesn't work sometimes. Actually, mostly where it works. Actually, most puzzles are going to be where it works. I'm not going to put a puzzle where it doesn't work. So okay. But bishop takes h7 or bishop takes h2 when you're black. But no, I didn't do a variation when bishop takes h2. It's just bishop takes h7. Not completely mad. Okay, so I hope you have fun. Maybe if you like your Greek gifts, this is a good one. Okay, and the store. Check out the store link. This way, store link. And check out the form porn as well. Lovely. I love this form porn. And I do wear other t-shirts as well. Just when I do my main video of the day, I'll put this on. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up too much, use it too much. Anyway, the Teespring store, teespring.com, stores Kingscrusher. So that's plural, Kingscrusher. So I hope you check that out, the new store item. Thanks very much.